There are a few different ways to transfer data between devices. Use cloud storage service. One option is to use a cloud storage service like Google Drive or iCloud to transfer data between the two devices. Simply upload the data you want to transfer to the cloud storage service on one device, download it to the other. Use a file transfer app. There are various file transfer apps available that allow you to transfer data between Android and iOS devices. One example is ShareIt, which is available on both Android and iOS. Connect the devices to a computer. You can also transfer data between the two devices by use a physical transfer method. If you have physical copies of the data you want to transfer, e.g. photos, on a memory card, you can transfer them by physically moving the data from one device to the other. For example, you can insert a memory card into an Android device, transfer the data to the device's internal storage, and then remove the memory card and insert it into an iOS device to transfer the data. These are just a few options, and the specific method you choose will depend on the type of data you want to transfer and your personal preferences.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to browse our website for much more video tutorials on everyday tasks. Smarter every day at rtfm101.com.